Bitcoin right now is still in a very nice range from $34,000 to the almost 39. And as we can see, we are right now at the middle of the channel. So this is a pivotal moment in my opinion. And what we can do right now is to zoom in and look at the current support and resistance levels. So first of all, what you have to know is where the point of control of this range is. So it is basically below us, so it should act as a support. So once the price is above point of control, we can see prices basically going to the upside. But once it is below, then we will look at the low of the channel. So very simply, what we can do right now is to pull a Fibonacci retracement tool from this low to the high. You can also choose this low because that is where it got impulsive. So we can choose that one, no problem. And yeah, we have a golden pocket. Why this golden pocket is interesting for me? Well, first of all, you can see that we have just above a point of control of the current range. That is really nice. Also, what we can see is if we go to the 15 minutes time frame, that we have a order block right here, just below our golden pocket. And this is important because basically right here we can expect trapped traders. And once price will reach this order block, it should give to us a really nice bounce. Maybe it will not be a big one, 0.5%, maybe 1%. That would be really great. And for a scalp, it is very good. So we have order block right here. And also what we have is the previous day point of control right here, as you can see. It is also another confluence to our level in this order block. So what I would do is to look at it at this level as a zone of support. So not a big one, 0.5%. So that is really nice. So as we know our support to the downside, let's look at another support if this will be lost. So I've already showed it to you yesterday, and I will show it to you one more time. What we can do is pull again Fibonacci retracement from this low to the pivotal high. And here we have another golden pocket. Why it is interesting for me? Well, what we have is the two important levels, the daily level and the monthly level. That is basically the main confluence to our support level. But you have to keep in mind that right here we have a very weak market structure. So as you can see, we didn't consolidate right here, and basically we didn't build any market structure support level. So yeah, that is one thing to keep in mind on this resistance support, sorry. So definitely what you have to do is look at the reaction. Do not preset limit orders, otherwise price could just go to the down and you would be instantly in a underwater position. That is not good. As we know our support levels, let's look at the resistance levels. Very, very simply. What we have is another golden pocket from this high to the low. And why this level is interesting for me? Well, first of all, you can see that it is above this high. That could mean that we can swing failure this high. Basically, I'll draw it to you. We can bounce from here, go up, reclaim daily level, and what we can do is just swing failure pattern this high, go up, maybe retest, and down. Why this level is really nice for me? What is the confluence basically to this level? Well, what we have is basically this pivot, right like that. So what we can see is the SR flip. We have this pivot, it acted as a resistance right here, support, as you can see. So it is right now broken, it should act as a resistance. That is the one main confluence for me. And also what we can do is to pull a fixed range tool from where this mini range happened. So for example, from retest till it broke to the downside. And as you can see, what we have also is the value area low, and just above we have a point of control. If we reject from this level, close back below this SR flip, that would be short for me. But you have to keep in mind, if we go up and, for example, do something like this, this means that we are seeing acceptance into this range, into value of this range, and we can look for the point of control. If it is claimed, we look for the value area high. Bye.